was a good Chinese stock. That's all I was looking for. Nothing more, nothing less.
eBay. I did Shopify. I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now, as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, but we need
So is the China pump over? So I was going to make this video Sunday because after that last week, the China stocks were just going crazy, right? There was so many of them that was pumping over 300%, over 400%. Some even went over 1,000, right? Now we nailed at least maybe 4 to 5 of them. And the thing is, so I see that, okay, on Twitter, I see people talk about edge erosion, right? And they also talk about patterns and this and that. And how we could tie both of those things into these stocks. It's just the simple fact that, okay, we know in this sector, right? We know these Chinese stocks are pumping. Maybe there's some news going on over there with China. There always is, right? There's always a headline if you look hard enough. But what I like to go off of is price action, right? So I see that these stocks are moving. Every stock going up crazy at the end of the day is a Chinese stock, right? I'm gonna go and try to pull it up when I get home and attach it to this video, where you'll see all these companies that have been going crazy this week, this month, are Chinese, right? Now mine is, let's say if like 30 went, maybe 4 or 5 of them were, but most of them were Chinese, right? Most of my P&L that's green is Chinese. So coming into like last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the reason why I didn't push it so hard was because after Wednesday, I was up so much. The only thing I was looking for was a good Chinese stock. That's all I was looking for. Nothing more, nothing less, nothing different. And at the end of the day, how I see it, that I think is a lot different than some other people. When you get into that mode that you don't have to trade, that you don't have to hit every single opportunity that's there, now, yeah, it can be disappointing sometimes. It can be kind of dull at some time, for lack of a better word. But at the same time, you're not going to have these big, humongous losses, right? You're not going to have these days where you wipe out a week's worth of gains, right? Which I've done that. Many people have. Every trader that I hear that's transparent has done it. And it basically, the bottom line, it comes from you not sticking to the plan. Because if you come out the gate and say, okay, I'm only trading Chinese runners after 9:30 a.m. Well, if you don't see one and you start chasing other things and doing other like side quests, you're gonna have random results. Some days you're gonna win big, some days you're gonna lose big, some days you're gonna break even, but you're never gonna really level out, right? For lack of a better word, or even out. So like today, I'm gonna put red day recap, but I'm down. If I'm down, it's less than $20, $30, $40, right? And that's even because the P&L isn't calculated from the scalps that I was taking. So right now I'm swinging one stock, but either way, I'm in a great position. I'm up on the stock. I took the profit. Either it goes, and then I guess technically I wouldn't be red today, right? Or it doesn't, and we just take the small loss. That's it, right? And I want people to come back to this video or harp on this video because of how important it is, right? If you can take these small losses, I'll repeat it, then day by day, all you're waiting for is that big, good green day, right? Which definitely will come, right? If you're trading the right thing, right? Trading is risky. So, past performance isn't indicative of future profits or anything like that. But at the same time, with it being in mind that you have a strategy, with it being said that you trade on the regular, you're not just swinging it, those small days of 200 loss, 300 loss, 400 loss, instead of 4,000, 2,000, that's all it really boils down to.